Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayhi, he was the great mufti, the great Imam, Al-Imam Al-Azam. That was the title given to him by his, not only the ulama of his time, but of the later time. Al-Imam Al-Azam, the greatest Imam. Right? He's the greatest mufti. His mother, whenever she had to ask about any masala of deen, any ruling of deen, she would ask him, what, take me to the Fala Mufti, because I have this question. He won't say, Mom, what are you saying? Everybody is coming to me and you want to go to that Mufti. He would put her to the horse, will take the rein of the horse in the front, will walk all the way to that Mufti of the town, and the mother will ask him the masala, the ruling, and he will tell, and then he will take her back. And sometimes when that Mufti possibly will not know the answer of her question, he will ask him. She was very old lady. He won't possibly realize what's happening, and he will ask Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayhi, what's the answer? And he will tell the answer, and then he will just relay it back to the mother of Imam Abu Hanifa. And not for once Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullah alayhi will say, Mom, he is asking me the answers of all of this. Why do you want me to take you all the way there? You will always take her because she will feel satisfied. Your children are like your children. You have seen them when they were in their diapers. How can you take them as the biggest mufti of the town, right? It's very natural. But he will not tell her even once, Mom, why do you bother me all? He will take her for the sake of Allah and not even tell her once that this answer that the other mufti gave you, in reality, I told him the answer. Allah.